Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. Students, in last lecture we did question number 4 from past papers of coordinate geometry. This question was came in October-November 2013 paper 2-3. Today we are going to do question number 5. This question came in May-June 2014 paper 2-1. Let's have a look question number 5. The points A, P1, B16, C4Q and D54, where P and Q are constants, are the vertices of a kite ABCD. The diagonals of the kite AC and BD intersect at the point E. The line AC is the perpendicular bisector of BD. Find the coordinates of E. Very easy question. First, we have to roughly draw a kite and put all the coordinates in the kite. So this is the kite. Here A is P1, B is 16, C is 4Q and D is 54. Now look at carefully. The diagonal of the kite AC and BD intersect at the point E. So if we draw the diagonal of AC and the diagonal of BD, the line AC is the perpendicular bisector of BD. This point is very important. This is the property of kite. In a kite, one diagonal is the perpendicular bisector of the other diagonal. So we have to find the coordinate of E, where E is the intersecting point of the diagonal AC and BD. Now we have to find the coordinates of E. So AC is the perpendicular bisector of BD. So point E should be the midpoint of BD. So E is the midpoint of BD. So 5 plus 1 upon 2 comma 4 plus 6 upon 2. So we use the property of kite to find the coordinates of E. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 upon 2 is 3, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 upon 2 is 5. So the coordinate of E is 3, 5. This is part number 1. This is part number 1. Answer. What is part 2? The equation of the diagonal AC. Very easy. First we have to find the coordinate of A and P. So, or we can find first the gradient of BD. This is part 2. Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. 6 minus 4 is plus 2 and 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So it is minus 1 upon 2. Now you can see BD is perpendicular to AC. So we use the property of gradient, that is gradient of AC multiplied by the gradient of BD is equals to -1, because if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their gradient is -1. So AC gradient of BD is -1 upon 2 is equals to -1. gradient of AC is equals to, this should be 2. So we need to find the line, the equation of the diagonal AC. We have already the coordinate of B, sorry, coordinates of E, which is 3, 5, and you can see that E lies on the line AC. This is very important. So without finding the coordinates of P and Q, we can easily find the equation of AC by using the gradient of AC and coordinate of E, that is y minus 5 is equals to m times gradient into x minus 3. So y minus 5 is equals to 2x minus 6, or y minus 2x is equals to minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So this is the equation of AC, answer of part 2. So without using the coordinates of A and coordinate of C, you can easily find the equation of AC by using the gradient of AC and the coordinates of E. See the third part. The area of the kite ABCD. So we will use the general formula of area of any quadrilateral. What are the coordinates of A? Coordinates of A given is P1, P comma 1. So the line is, the point A lies on the line AC. So just put over here 1 minus 5 is equals to 2 multiplied by x as P minus C. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4 plus 6 is equals to 2P, and 2P is equals to 2 and P is equals to 1. So the coordinates of A becomes 1 comma 1. Now point C also lies on the line AC, and the coordinate of point C is 4 comma Q. 4 comma Q. So again use the equation of AC. Coordinate of C is 4 comma Q. Put this, y is Q minus 5 is equals to 2 multiplied by x is 4 minus 6. So Q minus 5 is equals to 2 for the 8 minus 6 is 2, and Q is equals to 2 plus 5 is 7. Hence coordinate of C is 4 comma Q, that is 4 comma 7. Now we have to find the area of the kite. So coordinates of A are 1 comma 1, coordinates of B are 1 comma 6, C 4 comma 7, and D 5 comma 4. So we will not use the formula of the area of the kite. We will use the formula of area of any kind of quadrilateral. That is, area A is equals to 1 upon 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 x1 y1. So 1 upon 2, 1 multiplied by 6, 1 multiplied by 7, 4 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 5. 1 6 is 6, 1 7 is 7, 4 4 is 16, 5 1 is 5. Close the bracket. Now put negative sign and open the bracket. Multiply 1 by 1, 6 by 4, 7 by 5, 4 by 1. 1 1 is 1, 6 4 is 24, 7 5 is 35, 4 1 is 4. Close the bracket and apply the modulus sign, because area is the positive quantity. So 6 plus 7 plus 16 plus 5 is 34, minus 1 plus 24 plus 35 plus 4 is 64, 34 minus 64 is minus 30. 1 upon 2 minus 30 becomes plus 30, and 2 15s are 30. This is the area of a kite. The answer is 15 square units. So I always use the general formula of quadrilateral. Otherwise, how many formulae you will remember? The area of square, the area of trapezium, the area of kite, the area of parallelogram, and so on. So student, this is our today's class where we did question number 5. Hope you understand. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.